Hi friends, welcome to Brando Responsive and Multipurpose One-Page WordPress Theme. In this video we will show you how to install and activate Brando theme via FTP and import demo data. We will also show you how to install and activate required and recommended plugins. Installing a theme through WordPress is easy and simple process, but if you are getting any internal server error while installing theme via WordPress, then you can install theme using FTP. You can use any FTP client like FileZilla. First, download theme file from theme forest and navigate to downloaded theme file. Extract downloaded zip file. Now extract brando.zip file. You need to upload this Brando directory to WordPress theme directory, which is inside WP content directory. So connect to WordPress root folder using FTP and upload Brando directory to themes directory under WP content directory. Theme uploaded. Now log into WordPress admin section and navigate to Appearance, Themes from Admin panel sidebar. You can see installed Brando theme here. Click on Activate button. After activation of Brando theme, you will be redirected to welcome screen where you can see notification message to install and activate required and recommended plugins. Brando theme required Visual Composer and Brando add-ons plugins, and it is already included in theme files. Brando recommended Contact Form 7 and Newsletter Manager plugins. Now you can start installing plugins by simply click on Begin Installing Plugins. Just select all plugins, select Install and click on Apply button. All plugins are installed. Now go to Install Plugins, select all plugins and activate it. All plugins are installed and activated. Now you can check front end of website to check installed theme. Next step is import demo data. Go to Appearance, Theme Settings and click on Import or Export tab. You can install each demo one by one. We are going to install agency demo data. Just click on Install button. Select all content. This will import all data related to posts, pages, portfolio, navigation menu, media, contact form, theme options and widgets. Now click on OK button. Import demo data will take few seconds. Agency demo data imported successfully. Now you can check front end of website. Just refresh the page. Wow, awesome, it looks amazing site. Now you can start updating content, images and create your awesome portfolio. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.